Good morning, everyone. How are you? As promised, I will do for you the second part of my makeup. And hi. And all the drawers, this side, it's all about eyeshadows. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drawers is eyeshadow makeup. Only everything about eyes. Can you believe that? But I love eyeshadows. I love colors of the eyeshadows. Anyway, and this organizer is from Sony Cosmetics, and this is all my cream eyeshadow I have here, except this area. It's NARS because I love them so much and they are cute. And here I have Charlotte Tilbury. I don't think they make it anymore. This beautiful color too. Beautiful. I have 3 of them. I have, this is oldie but goodie. Overshadow the Balm. I love those. I bought it like, I don't know how many years ago. 7 years ago, something. They are beautiful. It's a little bit messy, and I like the names too. The names, but unfortunately, I cannot read it. Yeah, anyway, I have 3 of them. All of them beautiful colors. It's all the style. I like them, all of them. They are so cute. Focus. Are you focusing? Come on. Yeah, it's beautiful. Anyway, and the rest are here. Victoria Beckham Beauty. I have most of her collection of the, and this is easy as well when you are in a hurry, you want to go out, but you don't look like you don't have any makeup or dressed up that much. You just can pull one of any color of those and just blend it in your eyelid, and you are ready to go. They are very easy, very nice to blend. And I have here all the Chanel. I have to go through them because some of them, the only thing, it's get dry fast. And this beautiful color, I love it. But actually this is Christian Dior, and I don't know why I put Chanel here. This is all Christian Dior, and this is all Chanel, Christian Dior. I have here this brand. I noted Décolleté. This one, I saw it in Saks and Neiman Marcus. I didn't know about it before, but actually they are good. I bought like 6 pieces, and here I have my Golden Goodie, the Eyes to Kill of Armani. It's a mess, but still beautiful colors. If you want me to do swatches with all what I have collection, I can do that. And this is actually, it's new as well. I didn't use it yet, from Surat. I love it. I always forget how to open it too. Yeah. See, this beautiful too. I don't know if the camera can catch the colors. Does it have? It's beautiful. I've never tried it yet, but I read about it. They have good, and it's very sleek container too. I love sleek containers. They have here Chantecaille, which only one I have so far. Triton, I didn't try it yet, and I have only one black. I recommend that you always have one cream black. This gets dry. This is Tom Ford. It's old too. I think I need to replace it. Anyway, this is not the time. This is the first drawer. Okay, second drawer. Oh, let me fix the camera so you can see better. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So here you can see, okay. And this is the other, this is still my Armani, and here Tussi Slay. I put them here, they are so beautiful. And this as well, the organizer is from Sony Cosmetics too. I have here small things when I travel, and mini lipsticks, mini eyeshadows. I have here all the 3 colors of Chanel, which I love them so much. Some better than others, but I cannot. And they have the gold, which I like it. The gold Chanel here. Anyway, I think you can see that. You can? Okay. And then here the single eyeshadows. All I have Burberry, I have Armani, all the single eyeshadow I have. I have the beautiful Chantecaille, right? I think Chantecaille. I love that Tigre and yeah, Chantecaille. I love them. See how beautiful it is. It was limited edition last year, I think. I didn't even try this one yet. I love the packaging too. And I have Sisley here too. You know, I love the green. After you start watching me, I love the green and purple. However, I don't like purple clothes, but I love, and this is Christian Dior. Anyway, I have here and here, of course, Chanel. All what I have single. I'm trying now not to buy lots of single because I forget about it. This is brand, it's called Rowan. Actually, it's good. See how much I use it. I still playing with it. I love the colors though. I am very warm and cool tone colors. I love both. But sometimes it works good and sometimes it doesn't. So if you have any comments about it or any tips or tricks to use it, please let me know. And this Givenchy, I think Givenchy, this is the only one I have. But it's beautiful, beautiful, easy to blend. So this is all. I put these two here, the quart with the singles, because it's easy this way. Don't ask me. Okay, and here the third drawer. Can you still see that? Can you still see that? I hope you can. Let me. I'm still new in that. So be patient with me. Yeah, I think you can see it now, right? Yes, I think so. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so here I have most of it. It's Dior eyeshadows, and I have this, the only one different. It was limited edition. I love it. I take it normally, normally in traveling. It's cool tone if you like it. I put it in the back here because usually I don't use it when I am at home. And I have 3 of the backstage Dior colors. And here other bits and pieces here and there. Actually, I didn't buy the new one. Again, purple. The new one, the new limited edition. I don't know, because I feel that I have a lot of them here. So this is all. And here I have the only Guerlain eyeshadow, which this is for, it's a beautiful packaging. This is like old as well, but I take it a lot with me out too when I travel, because it's a main colors. It's main colors. You can, and easy to blend. And here I have another, I think this is the only one Burberry quad I have. I bought it from Heathrow Airport. It's pretty. And that's it. And the rest all Dior. If you want me to do collection wise, I can do that for you. Okay. Next. This is my tricky one. Can you see that? Can you see that? I hope you can. Can you? I think you can, yeah. Okay. Okay, this is totally miscellaneous, the things that I don't have the good amount to put it in one drawer. Anyway, here unfortunately I have those here. This is again eye cream, but I cannot put them here because they are too wide for this organizer. So I put them here. This is, of course, everybody knows the Charlotte Tilbury eye cream, which I love them. Sometimes I use it by themselves too, and sometimes I put it if I want heavy makeup for evening or so. I put it as a base after the primer, and I put it. It's fabulous. And this, of course, the Tom Ford. I have them all. This is the one. I love them. I use them a lot too. This is easy as well to blend. This is Golden Peach for summer. It's perfect. And I have the rest of collection. I have here Dolce & Gabbana, which I love it. This was limited edition too. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't use it yet. I have stuff I didn't even start it because I didn't go away for a while. I'm home. But definitely we need to use that. I have Natasha Denona. Here, I love those colors too. See, the colors is so beautiful. Anyway, and big palettes here for traveling. And I have all my Chantecaille and Clé de Peau. Chantecaille, look at those colors. Oh, I love the packaging. See, it's beautiful. Anyway, Chantecaille here, and I have actually only one of Christian Louboutin, only one eyeshadow and one face palette, only one. And I made difference. I made the red palette for the eyeshadows. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty. It's like the bottom of the shoes. And the black version, I made it for my face palette, not to get confused. And here I have the Valentino. I love the packaging too, and it's actually too. How pretty is it? How pretty. Can you see that? I hope that it catches the car here. It's beautiful. Anyway, if you want me to do that, I can do that. And this Tusura too, they are beautiful. Nobody knows about Japanese brand. It's beautiful. I made by myself the palette. I picked all the colors. If you want me to teach you how to do that, I can do that as well. And this the other colors. It's beautiful. Anyway, so this, and here Makeup Forever, and this, it's a brand very expensive, Serge Lutens, very expensive, but I bought only one of them. But the colors, it's you just need, because this is like I don't know, she explained to me that it's the color, it's a very neat, not very neat, 100% color there, and I didn't put, you need a little bit, very tiny on the brush, so it makes, and it does, you don't need lots of colors to put. It's beautiful. Anyway, so this is the one. And the last one, believe it or not, can you see that? I think you can. Okay, this is all Chanel, as you can see, and here Chanel too, Chanel, and this the new ones with, and this all Tom Ford. I love Tom Ford, and sometimes I have this too, but because of I didn't use it, because I have another one, I'm using it, but because of the color red for me, and the body heat one, it's very good colors. Let me show, I cannot show you now here. Anyway, and this one, The only Natasha Denona I bought big one. I have this one and I have the mini one that I showed it to you here. That's it. This one I read about it, good reviews. I don't know if you can see that. And the color theme, I love it. See how pretty it is? I love all. And you can take only one eyeshadow palette with you when you travel, and you can make million colors. You can smoky eyes, you can make just this color or this color for morning, or even this color, what is it called, transition. However, this you have to blend it, but even you want something very easy, you can put this one and this one crease, just make a little bit deeper here in the outer corner of your eyelid, and this one in your eyelid, and whoosh, off to go mascara, and that's it. You come back evening, you put this one little bit shimmering for dinner out, and you are good to go. That's it. It's beautiful. It's called the Glam palette. See, the Glam palette, it's beautiful one. And you can as well, I didn't see that, you can change that, you can remove and put wherever you want. I didn't know that. This is good idea. And that's it, guys. I have here as well, actually I have here those palettes from Dior holidays. I put them out from their they come always in very nice clutch. I love them, and I tend to have it and use it in my actually I've never used it, but I put it as decoration, and I take out the colors for this is what. But from now on I will stop buying them because I don't use them and it's lots of money. But see, I couldn't help myself with the color. Beautiful cover. I put it in one Z palette here, and actually here I have just the things I don't use. Yeah, I have another one here, big one, didn't even use it. Lipsticks and eyeshadows, and those NARS colors, I love them so much. So I don't. And the other one, big huge palette of makeup forever. So that's it. This is all, if you can see this is all my eyeshadow stuff. I hope you like it, and I will see you in my next one.